So I would like to highlight that we really look forward to collaborating with the FDA, the Arthritis Foundation, academia, patients organization to develop improved clinical endpoints for OA. We share a goal to develop better therapies for osteoarthritis. Now, from a sponsor perspective, I think most importantly is the establishment of a clinically meaningful endpoint, as you have highlighted, to describe when a patient has reached a severe disease status that describes how a patient feels, functions, or journey survives. Establishment of the minimal clinically important difference for this endpoint will be critical for us. With such an acceptable endpoint and the development of the clinically important difference, sponsors can then design clinical trials to develop disease-modifying drugs. This will allow us to assess the efficacy and safeties of drugs. In the absence of a goalpost like that, development of new drugs are truly difficult. Let me just add, in general, and we've discussed it to date, development of a surrogate endpoint or identification of biomarkers that predict severe OA or end-stage OA would be very important to us. This will allow development of clinically meaningful and statistically significant drugs for OA in a timelier manner, and in my view is critical. Currently, there are not a lot of drugs being developed for osteoarthritis, and one of the reasons for that is how lengthy and how large these clinical trials are. We look forward to FDA to really partner with them as sponsors to advance the treatment of disease-modifying therapies for OA. Lastly, as you've asked about potential hurdles, I think, and this has already been mentioned, is we need to advance clinical trials that have designs that can better manage the placebo effect, which has also been an impediment to really developing new and better therapies for OA. Thank you very much for the opportunity to share my views.